Good evening, guys, from Wuhan. From Wuhan in China, a city a lot of people might be familiar with, but maybe for the wrong reasons. It's actually a really beautiful place. It has a lot of history. It has a lot of amazing food. It's known for its breakfast, so that's where we're going tomorrow to try some of the eats in the city. 谢谢，朋友。 So this guy helped me find the place I'm staying. So yeah, we're going to the yellow lotus. No, the yellow crane tower is the name. It's like the most iconic place in the entire city. And as you can see, there are also a lot of night markets over here. I think we're going to make the trip over there later, but first let's find this massive tower. It shouldn't be too hard. I mean, as I just said, it's a massive tower. I think it's over in this direction somewhere. It might actually be that one. So yeah, let's try to find the path up there and enjoy the shows and the events they got going on. The ticket inside is actually different in the daytime and the nighttime. In the day it's like 70, which is like 10 bucks, and in the nighttime it goes up to 15. So I think a lot of people that like going there at night. Check this out. Wow. They're very famous for like the hot dry noodles. That's something a lot of people recommended me. Looks like they're selling like goods, or they're selling food. Yeah, all I can think of now is just getting to this tower and then yeah, we walked the wrong way, but luckily we figured out it's supposed to be like up here. Oh god, you can tell it's already getting more and more dense here, you see? Yeah, basically like every tourist attraction in China is just super packed. Like there's so many people everywhere. We got a train running here. Yeah, you see, there it is. And during the night they light it up, so it looks really, really pretty, as you can see there. Hopefully the ticket system is rather straightforward. E by R? E by R. Okay. 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 She's helping me get a ticket. Oh, 很好很好。没有了，你看1by R？ 对，120。120。Okay. Okay. I don't think I can do it with my payment method. Oh, 谢谢，很好，谢谢。Hey, she's a lifesaver, huh? She got me the thing. Okay, so it should be straight up here. Yeah. 谢谢。Okay. Oh, that was very nice. Sometimes, you know, I went to a museum the other day and they didn't accept like the payment method I had because I only had one. And the lady was like, no, you can't come in. And I was like, can't I just transfer you? She's like, nah, sorry, bro. Luckily, some random kid, he was like, oh, look, they have Voss water from my country. This is like the biggest scam ever. It's actually not that expensive. And look here, they got these things. Yeah. The big question now, how did they get in there? Oh, they're always flying drones there. Oh, check it out, man. That looks crazy. Wow. Look at that temple, man. Oh, you can even go up, it looks like. Wow. That's really cool. It's so mesmerizing. It's like... It's really beautiful. There we got the cranes on top of the turtles. This guy taking some shots. Look at this. Wow. So nice. Let's try to find the way up, yeah? Maybe, is this maybe the exit? Let's do a little round first, just to enjoy the scenery here. Check it out, we got the bridge over there. The skyline. Really nice, huh? And look at these big ass lanterns. Whoa. You know what they call the red pepper in Chinese? They call it a lantern. Pumpkin, I think. Look at this. Wow. Oh, they got these things here. You can walk around. Oh, and these things are pretty cool too. Check it out. Watch out, little man. See? Hello. You can speak English. Where did you learn English? Where did you learn?
I'm in college.
Nice, nice. What are you selling? Some souvenirs?
This is I'm asking stick, and this is mark.
Nice.
It's officials, you know.
The official stuff?
Only you here you can look at this. Only this side you don't look this.
Oh, it's nice though. I like it.
Yes.
That's cool.
Icebox stick, man.
Yeah, good souvenir, huh? Okay, thank you, bro. Good, yeah. Let's do around the round, yeah. Around the round. Great English. Oh, maybe you can touch it actually. You know, sometimes in the more like Tibetan temples, you can touch it and you can like do the round. But here, I think people are just walking around it. You see? But yeah, let's get a nice little view. Oh, look at the skyline. Wow, that's really nice, huh? And even over there, you see? It's all lit up, the whole skyline. Crazy. And this is like the back door over here. Check it out. Oh, I'm getting like a laser in my eye. No, thank you. 很漂亮。哦，这个可以。
它现在锁着吧？
你可以，你可以。
没开号，这个锁着的。
I think if I do this, I get deported. So I'll leave it to this guy. Oh, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do the thing. Yeah. You can pretend that picture. It's like, good for the picture. Okay, bye bye. I swear, like 2 generations ago, like old Chinese people that are like 60, man, they're like the most unhinged people I've ever seen. You know, like they just go for it, man. They just go for it. They don't care. It's so funny. Like when I buy like train tickets, when I stand in lines and stuff, it's like it's life or death, man. It's so funny. Damn. Okay, let's get up to the top of this thing, huh? Let's get to the top, baby. And then jump down. You know, there's a temple in Kyoto where it's a legend. If you jump down and you survive, you get your wish granted. And a bunch of people died because it's like 20 meters or something. But one guy survived and he didn't get his wish granted. You know what he did? He jumped again and he died. Crazy, right? Kind of looks like this one. This is like golden pavilion, golden pagoda. Look at that, man. Whoa. Oh, I need one of those. That is sick. She got some man, the grannies there got some swag too. They got some granny swag. I like that. Okay, no entrance. Okay, I guess we go in on the other side, huh? I don't even know. Can I just stroll in here? I don't know if that was supposed to happen. I think I just infiltrated this place right now, sneaking through some through a family, you know. But you know, like I kind of blend in pretty good here, you know, so it's not too hard. Okay, well, let's get to the top before they realize, yeah, that they got an infiltrators. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of oh damn, you got a loud voice, bro. Ni hao. He had a loud voice, man. He startled me a bit. Damn. Yeah. This reminds me of in Pokemon Gold, man, when you go up to the Ho-Oh Tower. We got the first floor. Check it out. You can jump out the window. He's snitching on me, huh? Okay, we made it to the first floor, I guess. That's where we just were. Check it out. Oh, look at this too, man. The skyline, beautiful. It looks like they turned it off though. Yeah, you know, I heard in Shanghai, the skyline in Shanghai, you know, where the Oriental Pearl and stuff is? The Bund or something, I think it's called. Like, I heard they spend $1 million every night just on electricity bills. Because they got like the whole skyline lit up, which is really nice, but yeah, it ain't free. Look at that, man. Okay, we made it to the top floor. Check it out. And they even got like this netting, so you don't drop your stuff. Because if you drop it there, it just goes flying away. Oh, this is like the main hall. Check it out. Wow. Oh, I've never seen like this type of artwork. That's definitely new, huh? I don't recognize that style at all. Actually, I would have thought there were more people here. It's actually like not that bad. I mean, it is a Wednesday. Hey, it's a little homie. Hey, hey, hey. High five. Woo. Okay. It's pretty packed up here, so let's... Okay, bye-bye. Be nice, huh? Yeah, it's pretty packed up here. I'm just gonna take, I think I'm gonna take a picture and then I'm gonna head back down. It's like stalking me. Should we take a shortcut? We made it out in one piece. Hey, let's go down this other side and see what's going on over there. Oh, that's so trippy, look. Whoever came up with that has to have been on some crazy stuff, man. So apparently they got a sick light show in like 15 minutes. So I think we're gonna stick around and see that. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. They use they kind of like project stories and like tell some kind of stories, probably in Chinese, but still kind of like this maybe. Oh yeah, it's the times, you see. So it looks like there was something 5 minutes ago. And then again at 9. I don't know if this is like the show, but I think this is one of them. And then they have a big one over there, which should be really nice to see. Oh, he just snuck under the rope. That's what I mean, man. Like the older generation of Chinese people, they really don't care, you know. You can like put up a damn wall and they will climb over it just to take a picture, you know. It does look like there is a little bit more going on down here. I think this is something else actually. They got something else going on here because the times are different, so maybe they got some kind of different show, I don't know. Some more junk. Yeah, maybe it's in 8 minutes, so we can stick around and see this. Looks like it's something with cranes maybe, I don't know. We got like the calligraphy over there. Wow, pretty cool, huh? I don't know, am I in the middle of the show? I am the show, right? Wow, check it out, it's like 3D. Look at that strong ass pressure, man. That's like a mama the other night. Check it out. Damn. Yeah, man, but like it's really nice, but I hate how they make it so tacky, man, with like the cheesy wrap and like all these lights and stuff. It's like, why can't you just have a temple, man, and just leave it like that? But I guess like in China they really love this stuff, you know. There's like flashy things, you know. It's kind of like a show-off culture, so this is like the ultimate way to show off, you know what I mean? I mean, just look at that. And this is like the old script of Chinese, you see? This is obviously like readable, but this up here is kind of like the last kind of like patch, you know, before they changed it. So you can recognize some of the signs, but generally speaking, it's kind of incomprehensible unless you're like pretty good. I don't know, like you can read some, but some of it is just looks like just doodles, man. Oh man, they're like running. I guess it starts in like 2 minutes. But we good, we good. I feel like our walking pace is like people's hair's running pace. I'm gonna have a sore neck tomorrow from looking up so much. But I mean, it's pretty hard to look away. It's like a big ass lit up pagoda, you know? Oh look, it looks like they're starting everything now, you see? Let's find a good spot, yeah. Let's find a nice spot to catch this. Oh, perfect timing. He got some crazy photo quality. Freedom. Let's go. What the hell? It turned full like K-pop.
录像他全部就站在前面，他就站在那个椅子后面。
I love Wuhan. That was epic! Let's go! That was crazy, man. This is crazy, man. Bro. Oh. I thought we were getting married. It looks like freaking midsummer, man. Okay, we spent like an hour here. I think it's about time we leave. I think it's gonna get even crazier now. Oh God. Scared the hell out of me.